So students, the first stanza depicts the lion, the most fearful animal, ferocious animal in the forest or in wildlife, and the poet is describing about lion, that if you see or by chance if you find yourself in a jungle and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast. Advance means it will attack you. A large and wild ferocious animal, it will attack you. If he roars at you, roaring, tiger roars, lions roar, you know that. Only to hear the roar of this animal, only you will hear the roar of this animal, you will die. Before it attacks, you will die. And then you will come to know that this is an Asian lion. You know that Gir forest or sanctuary, it is famous or popular for lion in India. Apart from the Gir, there are many sanctuaries are there in Asian countries where lions are found. So this is the first stanza which depicts the lion or its fearful attitude or its ferocious characteristic. Now guys, let us come to the second stanza. Or if sometime when roaming round a noble wild beast greets you. Here the poet has mentioned noble because tiger is considered as the most majestic, most beautiful animal in wildlife. It looks noble. That is why the poet has compared tiger as noble. So if you find this animal by chance or accidentally, so you will see its surface is yellow and black stripes, with black stripes on a yellow ground. Ground means on its skin. The skin is yellow and black stripes. Just notice if he eats you. Only you have to notice that when he is going to eat you. This simple rule may help you learn. Simple rule. That means this is the nature of tiger. It is simple to the tiger. Tiger is very much skilled and expert in hunting. So that is why the poet says it's simple rule. When he sees anything, any animal, human beings, he only hunts it and he only eats it. That is its rule. The Bengal tiger, Royal Bengal tiger, it is very famous. And guys, I think you know that it is especially found in Sundarban, the delta in India. And stanza 3. It's strolling forth, a beast you view. Strolling forth means to walk somewhere in a slow, relaxed way. It walks in a very slow and relaxed way. It doesn't exhibit its restlessness, just tiger or lion. It is cool, whose hide with spots in pepper. His entire body, it is filled with black spot. As soon as he has leapt on you, you will know it is the leopard. It suddenly attacks. It leapt suddenly because usually leopard is very fond of sitting on the branches of the tree, and the fastest animal in wildlife, leopard, you know that very well. So usually they do sit or they do wait for their hunting on the branches of the tree. And by chance, if you face this leopard in forest or in wildlife, you will see that suddenly it will attack and it will leap upon you. You will know it is the leopard. 'Twill do no good to roar with pain. It does not roar like lion and tiger. It will attack you. And you will not get a single second to yell or to cry in pain. Before that, it will kill you. It will not give you any opportunity to cry or to yell. He will only leap or leap, A-D-P, leap and leap again. Again and again, it will leap, it will attack again and again till you die. And after that, it will eat. And fourth stanza, if when you are walking round your yard, suppose you are taking a round or you are on walking in your yard casually, you meet a creature there. Suddenly you see a bear, meet a creature. That means here the poet wants to say that a creature, that means the bear, who hug you very, very hard. Hug means embrace you tightly, very, very hard. Be sure it is a bear. That means you have to be sure that it is a bear, huge animal. And it will hug you, it will embrace you when you are walking in your yard. If you have any doubt, suppose you have any doubt that what is going on with me suddenly, I guess, that means the poet is referred as I guess, he'll give you just one more caress. Suppose you are thinking, you are screaming in pain. Meanwhile, you are thinking, what is going on? What is this? What is this creature? You don't know. But if you have any doubt, meanwhile, it will give you a second hug till your death. That hug, that embrace, it is not the hugging or embrace of love or affection. It is the hugging of killing. It is the hugging to kill human being or any other animal. But usually bear, they are fond of killing humans. They hug like this, they embrace so tightly. For that, you will be in a state of suffocation, and thus they will kill you. And the last stanza, that means stanza 6, the true chameleon is small, a lizard sort of things. He hasn't any ear at all and not a single wing. Now the poet is describing about a small species, chameleon, a lizard-like. You have seen chameleon, it is quite familiar, it is found everywhere, especially in the Asian countries, in the forest, dense forest, jungles, and even in the rural areas of India. So true chameleon in small, a lizard-like. It looks like lizard. He hasn't any ears. Chameleon hasn't any ears. They don't have ears. And not a single wing. Neither it has wings. But it has a characteristic of camouflage. That characteristic means that it can change its color according to the surrounding. That is the chief feature of chameleon. It can change the colors according to the surrounding. If there is nothing on the tree, suppose there is nothing is found in the forest or tree, but you will notice one chameleon is sitting on the branch of tree. It is the chameleon, you see. The lone chameleon, it is sitting on the branch of tree. So this is the complete poem, guys. 6 stanza. consists of 6 stanzas. I have explained each and every stanza before you. So today only I have explained before you the stanza, and on the basis of today's teaching, or on the basis of today's lecture, I am going to give you 10 words. You have to search the meaning of the words and note down in your copy, and when the school will reopen, definitely I will check those answers of the questions and the meanings of those words.